My name's Mike Callino. I'm the Senior Director of Internal Audit at Braze Inc. We use the Workiva platform for SOX, SEC reporting, audit, and enterprise risk management. What I love best about the Workiva platform is the interconnectivity and being able to leverage data and information across modules. So my team, we work within the SOX module, we work within the audit module, and we work within ERM, which we facilitate on behalf of the company. It is very easy for me within Workiva to get information in each model and leverage it for clear and concise reporting. Everything about the Workiva platform makes my job easier and better. Before I had Workiva at Braze, we were doing things sort of all offline. We have a relatively small team of 3. We rely a lot on our technology infrastructure to enable us to do our jobs more efficient and more scalable, and Workiva is the engine behind my team doing that. If I could sum up Workiva within 3 words, I would say integrated, automated, streamlined.